Okay, so something I want to talk about that's been on my mind for the past couple of days, and it mainly comes down to people's desires to achieve things and goals and accomplishments. Now, the issue I'm having is I have a lot of people, and I see a lot of people that say, I wish I could, or I want to, but there's nothing really stopping them. Now, I can understand there's certain hurdles you have to jump through for certain things, but you got to get started at least to even start making it over the hurdles. To make it to the hurdle, you got to at least start the race. And that's a racing analogy. To go, if you're doing a 100-meter dash or 100-meter hurdles or 110-meter hurdle, whatever it is, whatever hurdle you're goddamn doing, you gotta start running to actually hit the hurdle first. And a lot of people are putting a hurdle before they even take off. They're making it seem like you gotta jump this hurdle before you can even get started, but it's not. You gotta start. So if you're trying to run a business and you don't have the capital to start this business or whatever it may be, then start building up a network. There are businesses like I pay Facebook and Instagram pages to post my pictures. I pay the money for that, like my hard-earned money that I take mixing for them to post one picture of mine, so I can get people to come to my business. You know how easy it is for you to run a Facebook marketing business or an Instagram marketing business? You just have to make a page, a niche page that people want to look at, right? So my thing is natural hair. So I'm talking to natural hair pages and they have 20,000, 40,000, 100,000, 500,000, whatever it may be. They have these followers. I want those followers. So I pay them for those followers. So the followers can see my thing and they can come to my thing and come talk to me. You know how easy it is for you to run something like that? If you have nothing else better to do, you have nothing else to do with your time, you can post a picture. And if you have a full-time job, every hour, post one photo. Every hour, just post a photo. There's so much opportunity out there, but people are acting like it's so hard to do these things. It's not. You just need to think differently. Okay? Think differently. All right, if you're always focused on, well, I got to have this job to do this, and you're trying to think in a straight line, that straight line is not going to work because that straight line wasn't built for you. You need to make your own path. Your path needs to bounce around, move around the way you have to, but realize there are different ways to do things than what you've always been told. Okay, like there's so many opportunities out there, right? Right now, I'm watching videos, I got my headphones on, I'm watching videos on Facebook marketing. Right? So I can make my Facebook ads even better than they are now because they fucking suck right now. But I want them to be better, right? Better. So I'm watching a video on it right now and I've just learned something. Learned a lot actually in this 1 hour little seminar I've been watching about how to make these ads even better, to target people even stronger. And with this type of knowledge, I can say, hey, look, let me talk to you. Let me get these people into your business. And you can be like, oh, sweet, great, because now I know something that you don't know. All you have to do is find something that people don't know and teach it to them. Or find something they don't know and ask them for money for it. It's not hard. You have something that people want. Sell it. That's it. You have something that people want, so just go sell it. Now, this is a disclaimer. I'm not pushing prostitution and selling ass and nothing like that. I'm not saying nothing's wrong with that, but I'm not pushing it. I'm just saying you get where I'm going with this. But stop making excuses, okay? Because there's a million excuses out there. Everyone can make them. Everyone has them, but the people that succeed are the ones that do not let that excuse hold them back. Okay? Make it happen. You can do anything you want to do. Just set your mind to it. But stop setting your mind to the fact that you're a failure or you have to do things a certain way. Stop looking and comparing your lives to these rich and famous people because their lives are fake for the most part. Right? These influencers and all that stuff. Calm the fuck down. Okay? Because a lot of them don't have any influence at all. Okay? Like, relax. And this is no discredit to anybody, but a lot of these influencers, they work regular jobs just like you and me. Okay, a lot of them, they drive Lyft, Uber, they work at the mall. Okay, just because they have 100,000 followers doesn't mean they have a better life than you. It just means they have tapped into a market that you haven't yet. Okay, it just means people like looking at their ass more than like looking at your ass. That's all it is. So figure out how to get people to pay you for looking at your ass. It's that simple. Just figure out a way to make money outside of the way and stop making excuses, because excuses are so easy to make. Everybody can make them. I can make one right now while I didn't record this video. I don't feel like standing up, right? Any fucking thing. There's an easy, so many ways to just make excuses, but always learn something, right? If you're stuck in traffic an hour each day going to work, right? An hour there, hour back, why not listen to podcasts or something? Why not start your own podcast, right? Like, first of all, you can get paid to review books on Amazon. My wife Chris was telling me that. Do that, right? Start your own podcast. If you're sitting in a car for 2 hours a day, put the headphones in and just start talking about whatever the fuck you want to talk about. Somebody's going to listen. There are so many ways, and everything is so easy now. You can just do so many things with your life. Stop making excuses, right? And then for people that were born into the world of the internet, right? If you were born into the internet like you've never known the world without the internet, figure out a way to get people to pay you to do the stuff that was before the internet. Right? It's that simple, right? Like by that I mean like cutting grass, right? Like if you were born after the internet, you probably don't know what the fuck cutting grass is. Somebody will pay you for that. I will pay you for cutting my grass. I don't like cutting my own grass. Okay, everything doesn't have to be in a digital world, but just figure out a way to do things that'll make you money and make you happy while you're making the money. Don't sell your soul for the money. Be happy for it, but stop making excuses. That's just this entire thing. Stop making excuses. I'm tired of it. And you may be wondering, who am I to tell you this? I don't know. I'm just me. I'm Mike, and I'm fucking telling you. You're listening, right? If you made it this far, you're fucking listening. So if I offended you, I'm sorry. If I didn't offend you, I'll try again harder next time. But that's all I wanted to say, and it's just been on my mind, so I wanted to let you all know. Get your shit together. Okay? Thanks. See ya.